Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to reset your Wi-Fi or Ethernet network adapter on your Windows 10 computer. And this is a little bit different than previous videos on this topic, so I just wanted to make a brief video showing you guys how to do it. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. And I'm going to be showing a new feature that is in Windows 10, or at least it appears to be a little bit different than it was before. And that'd be to open up the Start menu, and you want to type in Settings. Or if you have the little icon on the left that's a gear icon, you can just left click on that and you want to open up settings. Now you want to go underneath the network and internet tile. Now on the left side you want to make sure you're underneath the status section and then scroll down on the right using the scroller right here until you get to the area that says network reset right here. So left click on that. Should say this will remove, then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as a VPN client or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Left click on this Reset Now button. It's going to say, are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Left click on yes. So basically this is going to run different commands that we would have had to run through a command line window. So in the event that we don't want to do that, it's a lot simpler and we'll just do it automatically. So we're going to click on close. I'm going to restart my computer here. And then once your computer has restarted, the adapter should have been reset. And hopefully that should resolve the issue you were experiencing. So as always, thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.